Hello students, I am your Zed sir, welcoming you in the standard 6 max chapter number 4. Today we are going to start our new exercise, that is exercise number 4.6. Before going to start the exercise, let's understand some points or terms that easily you can solve the questions. So in last videos we had already completed triangle, angle, quadrilateral, points, angle, line segment, line, ray, clear, interior, what is exterior, what is on the boundary, clear. Now today we are going to start a new topic, that is circle. Now what is circle? Circle is around us only. If I say the 1 rupee coin which you have, or 5 rupees coin which you have, your father give you, shape of that coin is the shape of the 1 rupee coin, or you can say 5 rupee coin is similar like this. Clear? So this is, you can call as a circle. So the new topic we will start, that is circle. I wrote a definition of circle here. Let's see the definition. A circle is nothing but a closed curve. This is closed, okay, starting from one point and come again to that starting point. That ending point and starting point both are common. Clear? So it is nothing but the closed curve, but a fixed point are at the equidistance from that center point. This is my fixed point, okay, and this is my center point. So what they are telling us that the fixed point are at equal distance. These all the fixed points, okay. Every point which is on the boundary are the fixed point, and they are equidistant from center. If I ask this point and distance between the center and this point, the value of these both are same. Clear? So we can say this is a circle. So we have to understand the closed path is a circle, and a fixed distance from the center is called as a circle. But let's see some another thing in this circle. So I writing here one point, that is O. This is my center point which is in the center of the circle, and this is my some point that you can say this is my A point. Clear? Now the distance between fixed point and the center, the distance between fixed point and the center are called as a radius. So radius I can write here, radius you can specify it by R and is equal to OA. Our radius is OA. Now we have to understand that this is my radius. So what is chord? If I am making a one line here, okay, inside the circle I am giving a point B, C. Okay, this is my B point and this is my C point. So I can say the line cutting the circle, the line cutting the circle, that is BC, are our chord. Okay, so chord is our BC. This is our BC. See, this line is not passing from the center. Okay, this line is away from the center. So this I call as a chord. Clear? Now the second point, that is, so here is a 2 point, okay, is making a one line, or you can say line segment. This is my chord. Now third point is diameter. What is diameter. So diameter, what is diameter? So I will denote diameter by d. So when the line, let's rub this, so it is easy to show you. I am making here, okay. This is my BC, okay. This is my 2 point. Now what is diameter? So I will extend this line up to here, and I am giving this line D name. Clear? So I will define a diameter is nothing but a chord. This is one type of chord only, 2 point. Clear? The chord passing from the center. Passing, this is my chord only, okay. 2 point touching at the boundary of the circle. So chord passing from the center of the circle, that is you can call as a diameter. जो कोड होती है वो सेंटर में से पास होगी, उसे बोलेंगे हम डायमीटर. सो बिकॉज ऑफ द डायमीटर और सर्कल इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 इक्वल पार्ट. सर्कल किस में डिवाइड हो जाएगा? 2 इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड हो जाएगा. दिस इज माय 1 पार्ट एंड दिस इज माय सेकंड पार्ट, and both the part are same only. So I can denote D is equal to 2R. What is D is equal to 2R if I want to denote, and dA is my, this is our formula, okay. This is our, now this is my denotation dA. Clear? Now what is the formula of diameter? The diameter formula is equal to 2R, or you can say radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. That you have to remember, okay. This we had completed. Now further, what is arc? Now we have to understand arc. ARC, arc. The portion which I cut from the circle, suppose this is my total circle, and if I am cutting upper portion, if I touch both this point, see here, this is my circle, okay, and if I am cutting this much of portion of the circle and I am drawing a bow on it, if I touch both these, it become full circle. Clear? So the portion which I take from the circle, the small portion, that is known a arc. Clear? So that is nothing but the small arc. So I can call as a arc is a part of a circle only. Now the fifth point is sector. Clear? Now coming on sector. Should I rub this? Let's write this one. Okay, now I am rubbing. Let's start. Sector. So what is sector? I have one circle, okay, here. I have one circle and this is my center point, and the distance from the center to a fixed point is called as a radius. Clear? And this is my one part of the circle. I can say this is my arc. So if I connect two radius, this is my radius, okay. If I taking two radius from the center, so it also include one arc also. यहाँ पे एक arc आ जाएगी ना, ये दोनों पोर्ट समझ लीजिए, ये O है, ये A है और ये B है. ठीक है. अगर मैं इसको इस सर्कल से बाहर निकाल तो कैसा पॉइंट हो जाएगा? ऐसा हो जाएगा. इट बिकम लाइक दिस, like a cone. So this part of my circle is known as a sector. What? Sector. OBA, or you can say AOB. Clear? AOB are your sector. AOB are our sector. See, this is my 2 radius. Taking 2 radius and 1 arc, making one sector. Now second point is segment. So I have one circle here, clear, and I have one center, clear, and I am drawing one simple line apart from the center, and I am making it dark. See, so this portion is nothing but the segment. What? Segment. This line is, you can call as a chord. This line is your chord, and the area which is inside the chord, this is known as a segment. Clear? So I can call it AB. AB is a chord, and area which is inside the AB is my AB part. So this is my area which I am making dark. This is my segment. So what is interior and what is exterior, that you already know. So interior means the point which is inside the circle. जो point circle के अंदर होता है, circle का जो area होता है उसमें होता है. So if I say what is the interior, in O is interior, yes or no? Yes. And this A and D are on the circle. This point A and D are on the boundary of the circle. Yes. So I can call it as the A and D are on the circle. Clear? A and D on the circle है. So I can call as a point O is a interior. And what is exterior? So if I told exterior means outside the circle, circle के बाहर जो होता है, ठीक है? So the point which is outside the circle. So this is my circle, okay, and this is my one point. I can say that this is my X. The point X, this one, are our exterior point of the circle. So here I give you the brief description of the terms which we used in this exercise 4.6. So write down from the board so we can start our new exercise. Write down. Students, write down, and from next video we will start our exercise 4.6. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.